How to add a printer to iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you need to find a document to print. For that, you can open Files and find some PDF or some image or even document. So you can tap on Share, that is on the bottom left corner. As you do that, a pop-up will appear where you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on Printer. You have to make sure that some printer is around you and you have to connect to it. For that, you want to tap on Printer just beside No Printer Selected. Tap on Printer to select the printer and then you can tap on Next if you want. If you don't want, tap on Print Options, that is on the top left corner again. Then you can increase the copies that you want to print and you can also adjust the paper size. After everything is done, you want to tap on Print, that is on the top right corner. So that is how you can add printer to iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.